3, 2, 1, blast off.
Dream for the stars, then reach out and capture them.
That is what Katherine Johnson did. Katherine Johnson is a NASA mathematician who helped launch several rockets into space. Mary Jackson also took her dreams and made them reality as she too used her math/engineering skills to help NASA. Dorothy Vaughan also reached for the stars as she applied her mathematician skills in order to become the first African-American NASA manager. All of these ladies took the math skills taught in class and used them to literally reach for the stars. Math, science, technology, and engineering are all used to help form and launch a rocket, which means that you too can reach out and grab a star. All you have to do is stay calm and study math and science. I understand that math and science can be difficult at times, but if things get difficult and you feel like giving up, just look up at the sky and imagine yourself floating in space. Give yourself a moment of joy and away from the difficult problem, and breathe. After the minute is up, try and solve the problem again. When you get the problem correct, it is time to celebrate. 3, 2, 1, blast off! You did it! The rocket launched into space. Now you can reach out and grab a star. So next time you might be struggling in school, look up at the sky and remember to keep trying until you get your star.